Hey guys, it's me, CNarves, and I'm back again with Bitplay's latest camera case kit, the brand new Snap 10. It comes in 4 different colors: Noir Black, Pure White, Army Green, and Midnight Blue. Make sure you go and check out my last review on the Snap 7, which is compatible with the iPhone 6, all the way up to the iPhone 8 Plus models. Alright, let's get going. For today's unboxing, I was able to pre-order the photographer set, which includes the Snap 10 Midnight Blue camera case, plus the HD telephoto lens, and most importantly, the HD wide-angle lens. Guys, comment below if you tried other of Bitplay's lenses. Some of them might include fisheyes, ultra-wide-angle, or the M52 CPL filter add-on for these HD lens series, which I do not have. If you'd like to see those differences filmed, comment as well, and I'll get them recorded. Starting off, we're going to unbox the Midnight Blue camera case. So the packaging is quite nice. The back of it tells you some of the features that it has, as well as what's included in there. Nothing really on the sides. And at the front, you can see through the packaging to see the case itself. So let's get to it. So, right off the bat, it's a little confusing on how to open it. Maybe this will help. There we go. Guys, right there. Don't make the same mistakes I did. All right, so here we go. Better photography with your iPhone. You know, I have to agree with them. So let's take this out. All right, so it seems, oh, okay, there we go, guys. I would guess that's the different products that they have, and here's the manual. All right. Not sure what that's for. And there we go. So again, the patterned shutter button here that goes and clicks the lower volume button, as well as now the vertical dual mount for your lenses. So you could do it for your wide angle lens or your telephoto lens. Yeah, and so something that they've changed this year that I noticed, instead of having a thumb rest add-on, it's just added on there. And here we go. Here's the adhesive back. I guess it gives you just enough grip when you're filming, instead of the huge add-on that you had to do for my last example, the Snap 7. But yeah, looks really sleek, and the Midnight Blue looks awesome. And again, the whole reason that I decided to get a brand new Bitplay Snap case was just for protection. I think this is one of the best protective cases you could get for your iPhone. So in this case, it's kind of like a 2-layer protection that Bitplay's manufactured or engineered. So the outer layer is basically a scratch-proof polycarbonate type material, and then inside is made out of a soft TPU, which is basically a mix between hard plastic and soft silicone, which enables it to absorb drops for those clumsy moments that we all have. So here's the wrist strap that you can add onto right here. And here's the second adhesive grip. So if I wanted to, apparently I can just take this off, put this on there. They said what you need to do is just basically put it in water or soak a little bit of water there, and it'll be able to stick easily as many times as you want. All right, up next is the HD telephoto lens. So again, the box is very clean. How to install on the side, comparison between normal, just the lens itself, and if you also use your iPhone optical zoom. And then the back, just some sample shots. All right, let's open it. Okay, struggle. You know, I'm not sure where I'm supposed to grab here. All right, it's been a couple hours later, but I finally got this open. So in here, basically a description of what you need to do. So if you want to just zoom in twice or times 2, you put it at the top. If you want to also use your iPhone optical zoom, you put it at the bottom. Okay. Thank you, Bitplay, for making it easier to understand. All right. So what comes in the box? The box inside the box looks very clean, very, very sharp. You can see the product within the packaging, so those are always a cool way to display. So you get a carrying case. The material feels nice. Very nice, guys. Oh my goodness, wow. This looks like a bulky camera lens. Let's see. Oh, hey there. It looks very clean. And the material here feels nice, and hopefully we'll be able to protect the inside of it. And again, you also get a cap for the back. All right, let's put that cap back on. And I believe that's all that comes with it. All right, finally, our last product here, our last lens is the HD wide angle lens. Again, same packaging, comparison shots from the lens itself, how to install it on your iPhone X. All right, let's hope I don't struggle as hard opening this as I did with the telephoto lens. And guys, all right, it only took half an hour. Joke. But again, same packaging. So I see they've switched it from, again, the case. They switched it from right here, guys. So here's the one that I got with the photography set with the Snap 7. Right? And then here's this material. They went more rubbery, at least with the front, which I kind of like, you know. So if it was to fall, this here seems to be able to take the impact real well. All right. And also, I actually reached out to Bitplay on Instagram, and they respond really fast. So kudos to them. I really appreciate that. But essentially, they told me the difference here is, one, the physical appearance, as you can see. The bottom of it also seems a lot bigger. And 2, image distortion is less with the new HD wide-angle lens than it is with the older versions. So anytime you're filming or taking photos, you'll see at the edge less image distortion from the new lens than you would on the old ones. Let's open it up. All right. Looks real nice. Let's put that back in here. There we go.